Hello and welcome to today's brief video, the purpose of which is to answer the key question: how close are we to S&P 500 top? What could be the levels? Where do I see resistance? And of course to prepare you for the upcoming trading session you're about to open within 15-20 minutes as of recording. I hope you are subscribed already to my daily analysis and that you follow me on Twitter and Telegram for more content, updates and rich two-way talk with reliable notifications. So let's move into stocks and what is happening pre-markets today. The slide had been a bit too one-sided, and not just in American indices. DAX had been even worse off, while we are not seeing that badly corresponding risk of sentiment in real assets. Odds are at the moment still good that the mid 4460s would either hold as a support or provide a springboard after we undershoot a couple of points beneath. In other words, the conditions for a rebound are in place and I'm just waiting to see more of a proof thereof. What we have seen thus far: gold returning to daily uptrend, silver refusing to decline more, and platinum is showing similar signs of life. As regards stocks, tech had already moved kind of higher from its intraday low. So let's see whether this one sticks after markets open and any residual selling pressure, if any, gets absorbed. And my bet is that it would get absorbed because we have not yet made the top. And where do I see the top in terms of time and perhaps as well levels? Resistance, serious one, that would be a really tough nut to break. I think we could be having around 10, slightly more than 10 trading sessions for the top to be made. Maybe till next Friday that could be in, and we could start seriously the topping process in the sense that we would be slowly grinding lower over the upcoming weeks as the liquidity effects that I had been describing in the daily analysis. I hope that you have read it already and are familiar thus with what I'm talking about. That we would see stocks sliding somewhat lower as the liquidity is being drained from the marketplace, and that could translate into 4,500 to 4,500 low 10s. So that would be my pick for where serious selling could start emerging. Serious selling as in first dipping the toe and then continuing slowly, not yet hammering, but continuing with the selling pressure in the weeks ahead. But as for today, the intraday risk of peak might be close at hand, and I still expect the buyers to come to the rescue and bid up starting tech and then cyclicals later on in today's session. So these are the daily analyses that I have been talking about. You find them on my site within the stock trading signals section, and the Twitter and Telegram handles that you must be totally familiar with already by now. Site terms apply, beware of impersonators, and the obligatory disclaimer. So, rushing off to process it and upload for you as soon as possible, and talk to you later on today on my Twitter feed and Telegram channel.